Welcome to Solve It Like a Marketer. I'm Stephen Hobay. Now today I'll be exploring persuasive marketing techniques and how to use them in your campaigns. If you like this video, please subscribe and don't go away. Now, first off, let's define persuasive advertising. So this form of advertising leverages the desires and interests of consumers to convince them to purchase a product or service. Now, there are several techniques that marketers use in persuasive advertising. Let's take a look. Carrot and the stick. So in essence, pleasure good, pain bad. So humans gravitate towards what is pleasurable and shy away from what may cause them pain. So just like a horse is drawn towards a carrot and a donkey avoids a stick that may inflict pain. So consumers enjoy what is pleasurable. So for instance, they may see a commercial for chocolate and then feel the need to go out and buy some. On the flip side, life insurance companies play on our fear of dying and not being prepared, so hence the pain aspect. Next, we have the scarcity principle. So many advertisers play on our need to have something that others may not. This is why they present a sense of urgency with phrases such as exclusive offer or limited time only. This evokes the urge in many consumers to go out and buy quickly before the product is no longer available. A sense of control. So this one is quite tricky on behalf of the advertiser. In essence, they are presenting the consumer with the ability to choose, although they may use phrases such as feel free or no pressure. So indirectly, they are still easing the consumer towards choosing their particular product. One technique that is becoming less common today is the call to action. Especially on late night TV, ads show products and say, download now or buy now while limited supplies last. Instead, what marketers are turning to is the call to value. Here, the advertiser makes a connection between the product or service with the consumer's life or beliefs. So a great example is in the education sector, where advertisers market the opportunities a degree in, say, IT or engineering will bring you for better job prospects. In essence, this type of approach makes the mental leap for the consumer. Why enroll in school? Because you too can have a better life. Thinking of ways to be better at the art of persuasion is crucial to your marketing efforts. You can't always expect people to get why they should choose you. So think about the benefits of your product or service. How are these benefits better than your competitors? How are you going to show these benefits? So through engaging images, strong catch copy, a snappy video, or voiceover that speaks truth to your brand. Also, different mediums call for different approaches. If you're creating ads for TV, this is one particular approach, but social media is completely different. Also, bear in mind which generation you're targeting. So for instance, baby boomers, outreach to them will be different than Gen Z. So bear in mind also that consumers are far savvier than in years gone by. They can sense if they're being tricked into something that they don't want. Now, I wouldn't be doing my job if I didn't mention the ethical implications of persuasive marketing. So many ads that play on late night TV are targeting people's fear. So fear of gaining weight or fear of death. They also offer quick fix solutions to long-standing issues consumers may have. Possibly someone has been struggling with their weight over a period of time. So an advertiser may show a 20-something male working out with a super fit body and say, this could be you in 6 weeks. Now, the truth of the matter is that these types of approaches are unethical and misleading. It's one thing to show pictures of chocolate and say, one bite says it all. It's another to show a picture of a cross trainer and say, change your life in one click, buy now. I do think that we are moving away from this type of cheap approach to marketing. But as long as marketers believe that people can be persuaded or tricked in some way, they will continue to do so. I believe this is what gives marketing a bad name. So it's up to us to invoke a new wave of marketer, one that can be fully trusted by the general public and abides by strong ethical standards. Now, if you'd like to see more videos like this, hit the subscribe button. You can also catch me on Instagram and Facebook for extra content, and you never miss an episode. Links are below. I will see you every week with a new video, so please stay tuned, and together, let's solve it like a marketer.